Quick explanation of nouns and adjectives. A noun is a word that names a thing, place, person, or idea. Here are some examples of nouns: dog, a thing; park, a place; teacher, a person; happiness, an idea. An adjective is a word that describes or gives more information about a noun. Let's look at how adjectives work with nouns. Big dog. The adjective big tells us more about the dog's size. Beautiful park. The adjective beautiful describes the park's appearance. Happy teacher. The adjective happy tells us how the teacher feels. Let's practice with some daily sentences. The dog barked.
The dog barked.
The big dog barked.
The big dog barked.
I saw a book.
I saw a book.
I saw an interesting book.
I saw an interesting book.
The child laughed.
The child laughed.
The happy child laughed.
The happy child laughed.
He ate a banana.
He ate a banana.
He ate a ripe banana.
He ate a ripe banana.
She drove a car.
She drove a car.
She drove a fast car.
She drove a fast car.
They visited a park.
They visited a park.
They visited a beautiful park.
They visited a beautiful park.
I have a pen.
I have a pen.
I have a blue pen.
I have a blue pen.
The man worked.
The man worked.
The tired man worked.
The tired man worked.
The cat slept.
The cat slept.
The lazy cat slept.
The lazy cat slept.
We saw a movie.
We saw a movie.
We saw an exciting movie.
We saw an exciting movie.
She held a flower.
She held a flower.
She held a pretty flower.
She held a pretty flower.
The sun set.
The sun set.
The orange sun set.
The orange sun set.
I ate a sandwich.
I ate a sandwich.
I ate a delicious sandwich.
I ate a delicious sandwich.
He read a letter.
He read a letter.
He read a long letter.
He read a long letter.
She wore a dress.
She wore a dress.
She wore a beautiful dress.
She wore a beautiful dress.
The car stopped.
The car stopped.
The red car stopped.
The red car stopped.
The bird flew.
The bird flew.
The small bird flew.
The small bird flew.
Emma wrote a letter.
Emma wrote a letter.
Emma wrote a long letter.
Emma wrote a long letter.
He drank water.
He drank water.
He drank cold water.
He drank cold water.
The teacher smiled.
The teacher smiled.
The kind teacher smiled.
The kind teacher smiled.